Small lightweight folding hairdryer has compact size, 3.5*5.3 inch, and lightweight, 0.68 pounds, which is smaller than your cell phone and lighter than a can of Coke, all of which means that it takes up little space in your travel package and is great for business trips. Mini but mighty. Although portable hairdryer has only 1200 watts of power, the wind speed can reach 10 meters per second, 33 fps. All of this comes from high-quality DC motor and 8 blades turbofan. Meanwhile, it has 2 heat, speed settings. It allows you to select the best setting for your personal needs. Dual voltage design. Travel blow dryer has dual voltage function, 125 250ths of a volt. Small wrench placed on the hook help you easily switch to the proper voltage, which means you can use it in any country even if you don't have a voltage converter. Designed for travel, it comes with 2-pin EU plug adapter and a storage bag. When you're traveling in Europe, switch the voltage to 250 volts, and put on the European plug. You can use it directly. There is no need to buy an additional conversion plug. After you use it, you can keep all the accessories in your travel bag. Equipped with 2 attachments. Concentrate nozzle is ideal for precision styling on straight, smooth hair. Diffuser is designed to enhance your natural curl and texture, especially with wavy or curly hair. Wattage: 1200 watts. Legal disclaimer. Statements regarding dietary supplements have not been evaluated by the FDA and are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease or health condition. Top reviews from the United States. Powerful enough, small enough, perfect in every way. Nothing that I dislike about this. This is perfect for keeping it in our trailer. It works great. It's powerful enough for thick hair. It is also pretty and comes with all the accessories. No, a bag. I will be purchasing another for my sister and sister-in-law for Xmas so they can have one to store in their trailers. I am so glad I found this.